Hi, David Singletary with DGS Digital. Today we're going to show how to create assemblies in SOS Inventory. So it'll be a very simple test, so you can see how simple it is to create an assembly. So today we're going to create sweet potato pie, um, and we're going to have ingredients of the sweet potato filling, pie crust, and pie tin. So the first thing you want to do for the actual assembly item, so the finished product, you want to make sure it has a type of assembly. So if I edit, this is the product. It's called sweet potato pie. If I hit edit, we'll see it has a type called assembly. You can see there's various types, but in order to create the assembly, you want to have it as a type assembly. Now, the components or the bill of materials, so the filling, the crust, and the tin, those are set up as regular inventory items. So the category or the type here is inventory. Now, once you've created the assembly item, the product, and the bill of materials, you want to go to the assembly item and hit this down arrow and select bill of materials. This is your recipe. So this is going to tell you what you need to create the pie with. So we're going to have 4 cups of the sweet potato filling. We're going to have 1 pie crust and 1 pie tin. You can add notes here um, if you need to. I'm going to hit save and close. And let's go and create an assembly. Now, as you can see right now, there's none on hand, but we do have some ingredients. So we'll have the ingredients enough to create the pie. So there's a couple ways to create an assembly. You can create like a work order, but I'm just going to go directly and create the assembly. So I'm going to go under our production menu and select builds. So here I'm going to add new, and we're going to select the item that we're going to build. In this case is the sweet potato pie. And it asks you how many you want to make. In this case, we're just going to make 1. And I'm going to hit this option here that says update inputs. So what that does is it brings all the ingredients that we need. Now the warehouse that I have has bin locations, so I'm just going to make sure that I pick where these components are located. As you can see, I need 4 cups, 1 pie crust and 1 pie tin, and currently I have this much on hand. So you can do this in 2 phases. So let's say you're starting the process. You can have different work centers. So what I can say is maybe we're assembling it right now. So it's in the work center called assembly. And I can hit save and close, and that's where that piece is. Or I can just create the assembly, finish it completely, which I would just choose finish goods. And when I hit finish goods and I hit save and close, it will go out and build the pie. So now if I go to my inventory items and I search for sweet potato pie, here's my sweet potato pie, and now I have 1 available. So what it did, it reduced the quantity of the other items. And that's how easy it is to create an assembly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at DGS Digital. Thank you. Have a nice day.